Can you round off 5.37 to the nearest tenth in 5 seconds? Follow this lesson and round it off under 2 seconds once you understand the trick. And this is the trick. You check the hundredths value, and if it is 5 or greater than 5, you add 1 to the 10th value. Otherwise, you do nothing. Let me show you with examples. Let us start with here, where you're told to round off 5.37 to the nearest tenths. So, here we have 5.37. The first thing is to place these digits in the place value chart. And in the place value chart, of course, we put it like this. Then we have the decimal, and then 3 takes on the 10th position, then 7 takes on the 100th position, and then 5 takes on the 1's position. Then from there, we need to check the digit which is on the 100th position. And then we ask the question we said, is 7 greater than or equal to 5? Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So then, on the 10th digit, which is 3, we add 1. So it becomes 3 plus 1. But 3 plus 1 is 4. So now the 3 here changes to 4. And everything else on the right side of that 4 gets lost. So now the answer 5.37 rounded off to the nearest tenths become 5.4. How about if we have B? Let's try. So we have 246.538. The first step is to place the digits on the place value chart. So to do so, of course, I have the chart here. We move the decimal place, then we start placing the decimals or the values. So the first value, of course, which is 5, goes to the 10th position, then 3 goes to the 100th position, then 8 goes to the 1000th position, then 6 on 1s, then 4 on 10s, and then 2 on 100s. And from there, we need to check the number for the digit which is on the 100th position. And in this case, it is 3. Then we ask ourselves the same question. Is 3 greater than or equal to 5? No, because 3 is in fact less than 5. So then in this case, we do nothing. We just remove this hundredths digit and this thousandths digit, and the answer remains to be 246.5. So we did nothing on the 10th digit because 3 was less than 5. So now that is the answer. How about if we are given 47.951? Can we try? So of course, we have the digit. And the first step is to place it in the place value chart. So we have the place value chart, and of course we have the decimal. Then the first one here, 9 takes on the 10th digit. Then 5 takes the 100th position, and then thousands is taken by 1. Then from there, we go to the one side, where 7, of course, becomes the 1s, and then 4 becomes the 10s. Then from there, we need to go back to the chart, check the digit which is on the 100th position. In this case, it is 5. So if it is 5, we ask the same question. Is 5 greater or equal to 5? That's the question here is asked. And in this case, yes, because this 5 is equal to 5. So what do? We add 1 to the 10th position. So now it becomes 9 plus 1. But 9 plus 1 is 10. So since 9 plus 1 is 10, we will write the 0 here, and then we move the 1 and we add it to 7 here. So it becomes 0 there, then 7 plus 1, which is 8. So that 1's position digit 7 becomes 8. So the answer for 47.951 951, when rounded off to the nearest tenths, it becomes 48.0. So that's how we change numbers, or we round off numbers to the nearest tenths. If you have a question or there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try my level best to answer. And always remember, this is the trick. You just remember that the 10th digit you had one to hit if the hundredth value is 5 or greater than 5, and otherwise, if it is not, just don't do anything. Wipe out the digits on the right side of the 10th digit.